base the run. Otherwise, it would be more. Resolution. And yeah, I'll change the resolution while I play. And so I was frustrated by I've created a few startups in Europe before, and I was frustrated by one thing, which is the fact that all the social software we all like, and that we what do you use? And there we go. All the social all the social software that we use is actually let's touch this. All right, cool. So whether it's blogs or Facebook or I touch for resolution. Thank you. Yeah, whether it's blogs or Facebook. all happen in thank you. All happen in text, and mostly in text, because like I love YouTube, like probably many of you here. But the what's happening in YouTube is that I think we're reproducing what was the phenomenon of TV, but on the internet, which is basically posting videos, and you can view them, but you're passive most of the time. You can leave text comments, you can reply, but it's not happening that much. And the idea behind Seesmic is to basically create a video conversation where people not only post things which you can view, but you can also reply. So exactly the same experience as, back to basics, just a forum or a blog post or a phone, conversation, but all in video. And I also thought a lot about the what you get on TVs in talk shows, being frustrated that it's only 5 people. And with the power of the internet, if you talk politics, if you have someone fighting with someone else, it's right now happening a lot, it should be open to anyone, and not only people who can show up on TV. So that's Seesmic. Now a quick demo. We launched this in May this year, so it's very recent, and I'm going through all the stress which we can talk about that Brett pointed out in terms of growth. The principle, very quickly, is very simple. As you can see, Brett's presentation is already posted on Seesmic with a crop quality. I have to say, because obviously the light is not very good, and I use the webcam of my MacBook Air, which is not very good either. But we also have a mobile client on Nokia, and when the light is better, as you can see, it's not HD or anything like this, but it's really about conversation. And actually the good news is we have a use case in Seesmic which is dating, because people see each other. And the good news is you actually look worse than you really are here. And so if you look worse, then people can only have good surprises. And no, really, I mean, we're no second life, we're real life. Actually, even worse than real life. So people, you see what I mean? So there's no, I hope this will go better, and we did the best we could on video quality, but it's enough to have a conversation. Unfortunately, I don't have a sound plugged in, so I cannot do a proper demo. But as you can see, there is a video posted every minute right now on the site, so it's very active. And people talk to each other. So how do they talk to each other? There is a reply button here. If I start replying to her, so Nicole, who is in New York, so we give location, and it's very interesting. We got about 40 countries. Some of them with all weird accents, speaking all English together or not. So it's pretty interesting. So you see, I'm replying her right now, and I can just press the record button, and right now we're recording. And then you can just post it. It will also repost it to FriendFeed, which I'm going to show you. Post it to Twitter, and we're adding more social software to it. And it's as simple as this. So what we bring is not HD, we don't need this, I think, but more instant. So you press the OK button, it's gone. So all the presentations are already up, and I'm pretty sure yours will get some traffic. You can follow people. So if you like someone talking about gay tourists, that's the topic here, you can click on follow here, and you will start following him. We have members. We have members for everybody. All the conversations are there, from the most interesting to the most boring, from politics to dating, and it's very, very nice. Of course, we have a search engine. Going fast because I would like to give you a favor. You see here the number of replies. So this is 18 replies. So if you click on this one, here we have a button called conversation. If you click on conversation, now you get, for the first time in video, I think, the thread of the conversation. I can't say the thread of the conversation. Here you can see the very first video, and then everybody replying to it. What is amazing, I think, is that you get someone from the East Coast, someone from San Francisco, and then someone from Germany into the same conversation, like we were all into the same room, like we are here. So you get your friends, you can follow your friends, you can follow, of course, the public timeline, so everybody that people post, you can search. This is only, right now, already half of our traffic. Most of the traffic happens outside of Seesmic, and I'm going to be very, very fast on this. So it happens on desktop client, as Brett was pointing out. So we acquired a client called Twill. There we go. I don't want to update. Twill was created by a German engineer who really wanted to do this full time, so we acquired it and he joined us. He's a fantastic engineer. This client is started as a Twitter client, so it means you see the small little window. Now you can do this while you walk, or you don't walk anymore because you have it. And here I'm showing you an example where you have Twitter here, so you can have your friends on Twitter. You can type here, demoing from stage, and post it. So this is going to all my Twitter followers. You can get your replies here. I don't want to update. You see, so they're asking things about Vlab. Is the Vlab event being live streamed? I got like 100 of those. People want really to. People are wondering if I will show raccoon videos because we have a raccoon logo. And I'm almost done. You got your direct messages, your everything is in there. So we added friend feed here, same principle. If you like friend feed best, you see it's me here posting the friend feed presentation video. It's already there. Now if you click here, you go to friend feed or you see it in the client, depending on, actually here you go to Seesmic. And you can like, you can comment. See if I click, I can comment right from there. And we added Seesmic as well. So it is the same content on different sites. To finish with, and 20 more seconds, you can embed this on blogs. So a good example of this would be a small blog like TechCrunch, where you can, what we did with TechCrunch, and it's installed on 7,000 blogs already, is we launched video comments. See here, latest video comments. So these are people commenting what are the stories on TechCrunch. And if you click on any of them, you go inside the thread and you can see now, inside the text comments, there are video comments. If you click here, it will shoot the player very fast within the blog. You never leave the blog. And you can do this. And we also embed, I can show you on my blog, for example. You can also embed the entire, yes, we love raccoons. You can also embed the entire, the entire thread in your blog. So here I'm on mine just to give you an example. But our player is very interesting, I think, because so here I've given a challenge to my social software friends to lose weight with me. And so I post this like dopey video where I say, you know, I need to lose some weight, I want to run faster and so on. 61 people replied. See all these people? And you can browse through them, as you can see, very, very quickly. And we started to be like about 30 people running and losing weight together. From all around, you know, the world actually. So that's Seesmic, we're a platform, and just two numbers. I don't have pretty slides. 500,000 videos were posted since May by 50,000 people. We have many more people who view than people who post, obviously, but it's I think a very good number, and we're very happy about it. We hope you use it.